Alright, so hello everyone. In this video, what I want to do is this question here. It says find the rectangular equation given these two parametric equations. Now, I went ahead and color-coded the two parametric equations, x equals 2t plus 1, y equals 2t squared minus 9. And I did the first step, or I wrote the first step. So the first step is that we have to solve for t in x equals 2t plus 1. Now, if I do that, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. I get x minus 1 equals 2t, then divided by 2 on both sides, and then I get t equals x minus 1 all over 2, right? Now this can be plugged into y equals 2t squared minus 9, right? So I can say that y equals 2, and then I can say times the quantity, and I can say it's t squared minus 9, and this is what t equals, right? So I can say that y equals 2 times the quantity x minus 1 over 2 quantity squared minus 9. So y equals 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 1 over 2 minus 9. So my equation, if I and this actually should be 4, because it's 2 squared, so it's 4, right? So then I can say that this is 2 times the quantity x squared minus 2x plus 1 over 2 times 2. So I can cancel these 2 out, minus 9, right? So then I can say the following, that y equals x squared over 2 minus 2x over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 9, and I can say y equals x squared minus x. So basically, I can make 9 have the same denominator. So if I say that 9 is negative, or the part minus 9 is negative 9 over 1, so I can say minus 9 over 1. I can get the same denominator, so times 2 on top and bottom, and then I can say x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 9, or minus 18, excuse me, minus 18 all over 2. So this can be equal to, so this is y equals x squared minus 2x minus 17 all over 2. And that is how we solve, or that is how we turn this into a rectangular equation in terms of x and y. So yeah, I hope that helps, guys. One of the things that I do want to mention very quickly is that when you have so I believe that in order for you to turn this into a rectangular equation in terms of x and y, you have to, so if I did it the other way, and where I said 2t squared minus 9 equals y, right? I can solve this for t, so y plus 9 equals 2t squared. I can divide it by 2, so I can add 9 to both sides, I can say y plus 9 equals 2t squared. I can divide it by 2. And then I say t squared equals y plus 9 all over 2. Take the square root of both sides. I say, okay, so there's a few ways to do this one. I'm just going to briefly walk over what I did. So yes, you can do it this way, where I say in terms of y equals. You could also do it by solving for t in y equals 2t squared minus 9. However, one of the things to remember when you take the square root is to do positive and negative square root, so that when you plug that in for x, you're not only plugging in the positive square root, but also the negative. So I did that. I did negative 2 times the square root of y plus 9 all over 2. So then I split it into two different square roots, since it was the square root of a whole division, or a whole rational number, of a fraction, excuse me. So I did that, and then I said, okay, I'm just going to rationalize the denominator. I did that. I got negative 2 times and I put the 2 inside the square root, so I said 2 square root of the quantity 2 times y plus 9, and then all over 2, because the bottom is just 2, since the square root cancels out. So when I did that, I got x equals negative the quantity, or negative the square root of the quantity 2 times y plus 9, times the quantity y plus 9, and then plus 1. So then I simplified it. I did distributive property on the inside of the square root, where I said 2 times y plus 9. And then from there, I did negative the square root of 2, y plus 18 plus 1. So then I did that again for x equals, but except this time now it was the negative square root, because over here we did positive square root, so now over here we're doing negative square root, right? So I did that. I canceled out the negatives. I said 2 times the square root of y plus 9 over 2 plus 1. And then I said, okay, I rewrote it again. And then I said, okay, now it's going to be 2 times the, so basically I went ahead and let's see here. So yes, this is basically what I did here. I went ahead and just rationalized this part, and then I did over here. I got square root of 2 times y plus 9 all over 2, right? And then I plugged it back in, and I got the square root of 2 times y plus 9, and then plus 1. So that's how I got both of these answers, okay? Now, it would be easier to do it, unless your terms were both squared, you would have to do it like with 2 x values or 2 y values, depending on what you're solving for, if there is a square root in whatever you're solving for the variable. So that's basically how it's done. If anybody has any questions, please let me know. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope this helps. Please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.